Looking for the best lens for your Sony ZV E10? Allow us to guide you on this captivating journey through the world of lenses, where each one holds its own unique allure and versatility. First up, we have the Sigma 30mm f1.4. This lens is a dream for both video and photo enthusiasts. With an impressive aperture of f1.4, it brings in a lot of light, making it perfect for low-light situations. The sharpness it provides is unparalleled, ensuring your images are crisp and clear. However, it's worth noting that this lens doesn't have optical stabilization, which may not make it the best choice for handheld shooting. Next on our list is the Viltrox 23mm f1.4. This lens is a budget-friendly gem. It offers an excellent balance between cost and quality without compromising on performance. Its fast aperture of f1.4 allows for stunning bokeh effects, making your subject stand out. On the downside, it does lack a bit in the autofocus department, so if quick focusing is a must for you, this might not be your first choice. For those who love to vlog, the Sigma 16mm f1.4 lens is a fantastic option. Its wide angle is perfect for capturing everything in your surroundings, making it a top choice for travel vloggers. The low light performance is also impressive thanks to its f1.4 aperture. However, its size and weight may be a bit of a burden if you're always on the move. The Sony 18-55 kit lens is an excellent option for beginners. It offers a versatile focal length range, making it suitable for a variety of shooting situations. Plus, it's lightweight and compact, which is a bonus for those who value portability. However, its variable aperture means it might struggle in low light conditions. Finally, we have the Sigma 56mm f1.4 lens, a top pick for portrait photography. Its focal length is ideal for capturing stunning portraits with beautiful bokeh. Its sharpness is top-notch, ensuring your subject is always in focus. However, its narrower field of view might not be ideal for those who shoot landscapes or wide-angle scenes. In conclusion, each lens has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs and shooting style. Whether you're a vlogger, a beginner, or a portrait lover, there's a lens out there that perfectly matches your Sony ZV E10.